I have heard great things about the new CMF Buds 2 Plus, but given the fact that they are only $69, I'm a little skeptical, and there is only one way to find out. To try them. And also I'm gonna compare them with the AirPods Pro 2 because they are the gold standard. I know it's not fair, but hey, we have to do what we have to do. So let's get into it. So let's unbox them. Oops, upside down. So I guess this is the earbuds. And then what do we have here? It's a manual, and then you get ear tips. Like I guess this is different size, maybe like small and large, I believe. They kind of look cheap. And then we can take a look at the earbuds themselves. Like this is the case. So I'm gonna remove this plastic wrap. Oh, nice. I like the case. I mean, it's a little bulky. Like when you compare it to the AirPods Pro, like side to side it looks okay, but when you compare it like this, it kind of large, kind of big, but it's not bad honestly. Like I like it. I like the, oh, it feels nice. It actually feels nice, and it feels more like matte finish, so it is less slippery than the AirPods Pro. Like people always complain about the AirPods Pro being slippery. And I kind of like the finish of this. This is nice. Actually, this is way nicer than I expected. It has this knob here which you can attach a lanyard to here. There's some light here. I'm assuming this is like a charging indicator. And there's a USB-C. And they didn't like give us any cables or any power adapter. I mean, that's fine. I understand it's like a budget product, so that is understandable. So let's see what we have inside the case. Okay, so we have our earbuds here. All right. The color I have here is kind of like gray color, light gray color, and they also have another color which is the blue one. I mean, CMF has other headphones. If you are not familiar with CMF, it's kind of like the budget brand of nothing. So they also have different like earbuds. This is the most expensive one they have, so I wanted to try it out. I mean, the design is very similar to the AirPods Pro, like it's kind of funny. And the other thing is that they do have magnets, so they snap back into the case. So that's something I like. And if you put them on reverse, the case will not close. So you have to put them in place correctly in order for the case to close. So for the controls, you can customize the left and the right separately. So on the left, for example, you can double tap to skip forward, triple tap to skip backwards, tap and hold to switch between noise control modes like active noise cancellation, ambient mode, etc. I'm not the biggest fan of like touch control, but hey, it works. And the fact that they have touch controls in this, budget headphones, I mean, that's pretty good. Before actually listening to how they sound, let's talk about how they charge. So they charge with the USB-C, and it is a little confusing how long they last when you look at their website, like the CMF website. But if I want to summarize it, with active noise cancellation on, they last up to 6 hours, and with the earbuds, they last up to 6 hours. But with the case, the case can charge them multiple times, so they can last up to 30 hours. So that's actually decent. That is comparable with the AirPods Pro, to be honest. So enough talking. Let's connect them to my phone. I have an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's connect them to my phone and then see how they sound. I already have the Nothing app. Add a new device. Searching. Yeah, they appeared immediately on the Nothing app. So we can connect them. Pair. That's kind of easy. I like that. Alright. Update available. Maybe I should update them. Let's update them. Why not? I'm gonna just wait for them to update, so we can give you guys the latest review. While they are updating, I mentioned that the price is $69, but actually you can get them discounted on Amazon for $59. So that is good. So I'm gonna check how they sound, and also I'm gonna test the microphone to see the quality of the phone calls. So while they update, maybe I can fill you guys in about the feature they have. One of the things I like is that they have water resistant. They are IP55 water and dust resistant. So that is good. That's even a little better than the AirPods Pro actually. So you can work out with them. You're probably fine if you went out in like light rain with them, but don't submerge them in water, do anything crazy like that. And the other thing is that they do have like 6 microphones. So we're gonna also be trying the microphones like on phone calls and stuff and see how the quality of the microphones as well. The other thing is that they do support connecting to up to 2 devices. So you can connect them, for example, to your phone. You can connect them to your laptop or like your iPad, whatever. So 2 devices maximum. The app is kind of nice. Noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio. Nice. They have spatial audio. They have an equalizer. You can adjust the sounds to your liking. I'm assuming you can do custom. Yeah, you can do custom as well. I mean, I like it. They didn't even ask me to make an account, and it's working. I guess I can make an account later. Let's see how they sound. All right. So what we're gonna listen to? So the audio quality is a little disappointing. I think it is a little bass heavy, but it feels a little muffled. It feels like as if you listening from a radio, like there's some, I don't know how to describe it, but rumbling. I didn't like. I tried to move the equalizer to see if I can come up with something I like, but it's just not there. Do they work? Are you able to listen to the music, etc.? Yes. And I think if you don't have the reference of the AirPods Pro, you're probably gonna be fine. But I'm kind of spoiled with the AirPods Pro, so I think that is play a huge factor in that. The other thing I'm gonna try is like I'm gonna play like on my laptop here like a sound of the subway, like the New York subway, just to see how the active noise cancellations works. Okay, so I'm gonna start actually. Let's start with the AirPods Pro actually, and see how much they are able to cancel from the noise. Active noise cancellation.
This is a World Trade Center bound E train. The next stop is
If I would give the AirPods Pro 9 out of 10, I would give this 8 out of 10. It's pretty good actually, like impressive actually. The active noise cancellation is good, it's good. So the last thing I wanted to test is the microphones. So I'm gonna record the voice memo on my phone here. Testing the microphone of the CMF plus 2. Testing the microphone of the CMF plus 2. Testing the microphone of the AirPods Pro 2. Testing the microphone of the AirPods Pro 2. So in terms of microphone quality, I mean, I think it's pretty good. I mean, all AirPods like microphones suck, but you know, this one is like similar to the rest of the crowd, you know. So my overall thoughts about these headphones, I mean, I think for the price and what you get, like the build quality is solid, USB-C, good battery life. The only downside is that like the sound quality, but I think it is manageable. And the fact that you can get active noise cancellation and all of these fun features for only $69 and even $59 if you find them on discount, I mean, that's pretty good. So would I recommend them? I would say yes, but you have to know what you're getting yourself into. Like, you don't expect like very, very high quality. Like, if you don't want to spend the money, like $200 on earpods, like the AirPods Pros or like the Sony's or whatever, if you want to save some money, you can go with these ones and you're probably gonna be fine, but just keep your expectation low. That's what I will keep it as. And overall, like, I think for the price, I mean they are good for the price. So that is it for this video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.